On today's episode of Buzz Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it, one buzz at a time, kind of more of a day of a life type video. But we're up early this morning, and we're going to do a little barbecuing. Today's 4th of July, and have some my son's coming over, and going to have the whole family together. So we're going to be able to do some poor man's brisket today. So today we have tri-tip roast and rump roast that we seasoned up with Meat Church seasoning and making those like brisket. Turns out really well. It's not 100% like brisket, but it's close enough that if you didn't know the difference, you'd probably think it was brisket. Anyway, all right, let's get after it. We got it seasoned up real nice. I do use mustard as the binder. If you guys want any tips or tricks on smokers or barbecuing, check out Meat Church online. That guy, him and there's another guy cooking with AC. Both those guys, but this is more of a Meat Church recipe here. Alright, it's been about 6 or 7 hours roughly. I just checked the temperatures. Man, they're looking pretty good. They're between 160 and 170. And we're going to get them ready to go for the, I think you call it braising. Alright, we're going to get them out. We're going to doctor them up and then get them back in for the final couple hours. I always try to put the juice back in there if it hasn't fully cooked yet. And like I told you earlier, is that been using this Meat Church. Look them up on YouTube. Awesome stuff there. So this is the gospel. It's pretty much just an all-around barbecue sauce. They do have one that's called Holy Cow that I really like. However, there is a lot of pepper in there, and my family is not the world's biggest fan. So I just put a little bit more on there. Before I covered it generously. I use mustard as a binder. I used to not. I hate mustard. However, when they say you can't taste it, I can taste like small hints of it, but I hate it. If you don't hate it, you probably won't taste any of it. But I just get a little beef raw. Fill up the pan about an inch or two. Well, probably not even an inch or two. About half. There we go. So we're sitting at about 170, in between 160 and 170, depending on where you temp at. And we'll cover this with foil, put it back in about 2 more hours. We'll be ready. So what do we do while we wait for the barbecue? Yeah, other than marinating ourselves, is I end up getting some 3D printing in. Not really. These are headphone holders. We were cruising, looking for a good design. My wife wanted some headphone holders for her headphones on her desk, and we thought my kids are really into the comic book stuff, and so we ended up doing this one here, a Batman headphone holder for one of my daughters. That one took, I don't know, roughly 8 hours, I think, and then I was able to get the second one started. I ended up getting a Spider-Man headphone holder going for my other daughter. Pretty cool little designs. We're going to throw up the time lapse here, but yeah, this is what we did in between the cooking of the food there. I don't know about you guys, but I can sit and watch these things for hours building on the time lapse like this. The little pieces in front there, that's the supports. Is it a 3D printer has a hard time printing vertically if it's not directly on top of something. The further out you get from the baseline, the harder it is to do. So it makes these supports so they can hold everything up. What is really neat is when you actually take those off, is it makes them in such a way they just kind of snap right off and doesn't affect the print. And so here's the final of the brisket. I may have gotten too excited on the brisket and didn't film it, so I quickly took a picture here with my phone. Aaron, I hope you had a good 4th of July. We did here. Family over, had the brisket, or the roast brisket that we did there. Pretty good. Yeah, it tastes like brisket, but you still kind of know you're eating roast. But it was a good deal. We did have some more video, but things kind of went off the rails a little bit. Too good of a time was had, and most of that video was not fit for consumption. But that's a still from it, and let's just say hooded eyes, and yeah, it wasn't good. So, all right, till next time, stay buzzed.